Face scrubs are skincare products used to exfoliate the skin by removing dead skin cells, dirt, and oil from the surface of the face. They usually contain tiny particles or beads that help gently scrub the skin when massaged in circular motions. This exfoliation process helps to unclog pores, reduce blackheads, and give the skin a fresh, smooth appearance. Using a face scrub once or twice a week can help improve skin texture and make your face look brighter and healthier. There are different types of face scrubs for different skin types. For oily or acne-prone skin, face scrubs with ingredients like salicylic acid or tea tree oil can help reduce breakouts. For dry or sensitive skin, it's better to use scrubs with natural and gentle ingredients like oatmeal or honey. It's important not to scrub too hard or use a face scrub too often, as this can irritate the skin. After using a scrub, applying a gentle moisturizer helps keep the skin soft and hydrated. Using a face scrub can lead to a brighter, smoother, and more even complexion over time. For people with oily or acne-prone skin, scrubs containing ingredients like salicylic acid can help control breakouts. For sensitive skin types, it's best to use gentler scrubs with fine particles and hydrating ingredients such as aloe vera or chamomile. It's important to always follow up with a moisturizer after exfoliating to restore hydration and protect the skin barrier. Regular use, paired with a good skincare routine, can significantly improve skin texture and clarity. Most dermatologists recommend using a face scrub 1 to 2 times a week depending